Let's take a live look outside here where the skies are still a little, I think we classify those as partly cloudy. You can see a little bit of blue up there, but they're going to get thicker. The clouds, that is, are going to get thicker as we head through the rest of the afternoon. And by dinner time, it's going to be wet. Let's show you where the rain currently is. So there's a lot of moisture out there in the atmosphere. A lot of these showers down to the south. Now, those will not impact us. Those are moving far enough east that they're going to just completely avoid us as they stay in Indiana and Ohio. But this rain, here's the center of the low pressure system. It's still just south of Minneapolis, but a lot of rain out ahead of it, and then this is going to fill in as well. So we are likely to see some heavier rain. Now, the question is, are we going to see severe weather? Because, boy, we have had a run of severe weather around here the last 6 to 8 weeks. I don't anticipate too much severe weather in the terms of gusty winds or hail, or tornadoes, but I do think we're going to see a chance for some flooding type rain because this is very moisture rich. This system here drew a lot of that moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico, and it's got to go somewhere. It's going to fall out of those clouds and it's going to impact us as rain. So here's 5 p.m. So dinner time tonight, you're looking at that rain out there already. Models showing pockets of real heavy rain, not just reds, but those deeper, darker reds there, which would indicate some pretty good downpours there. Now, some thunder and lightning may be mixed in with some of these cells around dinner time. The thunder and lightning threat's going to last from around dinner time to say like 10, 11 p.m. tonight. You can see those heavier cells tracking off to the north as well, moving through Oakland County, St. Clair, Macomb counties. And I think that's going to be the stuff that's really the heaviest. So the heaviest rain will be today, but then it's consistent rain. Some lighter showers that will take us through tomorrow. So we're talking a wet Monday evening, Monday night, Tuesday morning, and then spotty showers that take us through Tuesday afternoon before we begin to dry out. And I think we get a better second part of the week, although still some thunderstorms possible as we head into Thursday. Let's talk rainfall totals because some of this is expected to be heavy and some of these numbers could get pretty high. I think the most responsible range is 1 to 2 inches, 2 inches being the higher limit there. You can see spots around Grand Rapids, Lansing, and some of those bigger numbers. Even Detroit, though, 3/4 of an inch. So this is heavy rain, guys, and this is the type of the rain that could pond in areas that typically do flood, and then areas that do not have proper drainage. So if your drains are clogged, you may see that water begin to start to pile up as well. Rainfall chances really jumping after 4 o'clock. Notice how they go from 10% up to about 50% by 5 p.m., and then they stay high through tonight. They will taper off as we move later this evening. Again, the heaviest stuff is going to be later today into the nighttime hours, and then rainy, kind of fall-like feeling day out there on Tuesday when it's going to be overcast and drizzly at times. Thankfully, the sun comes back on Wednesday. We're not quite done with summer yet. Yeah. You saw the weekend, Dream Cruise weekend. Should be dry, and it should be hot.
Have plans out there with your dad? I know you guys like to go. Yeah, that's awesome.
We got our Dream Cruise shirts. We're going to be walking up and down Woodward, and I know a lot of those people, they get real freaked out, even the chance of rain. So good news is the weekend looks dry, but we do have to get through today with the heavy stuff.